Okay, so we left off with the window frame. We're going to now, if you do hide, you can't see through there are two solids. So we need to subtract. We did RE to get it back. We're going to do subtract and pick the outer frame first, enter, and then the other three, enter. And now if you do hide, now you can see through them. Okay, I'll change our layer to A glazing. And we'll extrude all three of these. An inch. No, we'll do it ½ inch. Okay, we now need to rotate 3D. Type in 90. We'll do this with our glass. We'll get all three of them at once. Enter. Pick a point. Make sure your ortho's on. Pick another point. 90. Enter. Now we'll move all three of them. Enter. Down here by the midpoint of the glass to the midpoint of the inside of the window frame. Right there. Click. All of our glass is in place, so if we do hide, it's going to look solid until we assign material. So we're going to move all of this by its midpoint to the midpoint of our window opening. Right there. Okay. We're going to box our door. We'll click on one corner, then the opposite corner, and then 7 foot, and we'll match our layers. We'll get rid of our okay. Now we need a ceiling and a floor, so if we do box and go up here to the top of the inside of the wall and go to the opposite corner and drag it up, and we don't need it to be very thick, so 1/8 inch will work. And we'll put that on the should have a floor layer, I hope. Yep, a floor. We're going to make a copy of that. Get here to the top of the floor. We don't want the bottom of the floor, we want the top of the floor. And we're going to move that down. Okay, then we'll now change this back to, I think I should have a ceiling layer. Yep. Yeah, it's on the layer. Okay. Alright. Now we can start assigning materials to our layers. So if we go over to Visualize tab, and you will see right here materials. If you click, first we'll have to do materials browser to find the materials that we want to use. Take a few minutes for it to load. Here's the materials browser, and these are the materials that come with AutoCAD. You can add materials, and you'll see how to do that in a little bit, but they're by category. So if you click here and click the Autodesk library right there, then let's start with glass. So you'll notice here, we can do automotive glass. We want to do clear glass for our windows. So we click here, and we have to send it up here. So when we click on the clear and we go up here to the arrow and click, that now places the material up there for us to use. Okay, let's see. Don't think we need anything else. Okay, masonry. So I think we have stone. Yep, stone. Let's say we want our lamp base to be stone. Let's go with a ref red. Okay. Fabric, leather for our chair seat, so I like the crease black. And for the lamp shade, about a beige linen, or maybe a white linen instead. We can take that out. It doesn't take it out of our, just takes it out of our choices. Okay, glass for the table. We'll need some metal for the lamp, for the lamp thing that holds the shade, and we need it for our table base. So aluminum. We can get a polished aluminum. That'll work. And see, ceilings. I believe it's under miscellaneous. Yep, acoustical tile. We can do acoustical tile. Okay, flooring. You can put in a beach plank, or we can put in a carpet. And then with our fabric, let's look at this plaid. What we want to do is use this we'll go over here and create a new material. And we'll go over here and edit this. Okay, we want to create a new, or duplicate it. We'll call this material print one. We'll go right here and we'll remove that image. Then if you click inside here, you can click inside this white, and then where I have my images stored, I can choose this red fabric here, hit open. There it is. I think the sample size is less than that. Okay. And then we'll just close that and close this. And we can delete this plaid red. So we have our print. I believe we have everything we need. So we're going to close this out. And then right here, where you see materials, if you click here, attach by layer. Okay, so we won't need to attach everything. We won't need to attach materials to everything here, but we need to attach materials to our ceiling. Right here. So you just drag and drop. Okay. Lamp base, we wanted that stone. So rough red. Floor, we did the beach plank. The lamp shade was the linen white. Okay, the chair seat was the crease black, and our arms will be our print one, and the back will be the print one. The table column will be the polished aluminum, the base of polished aluminum. The tabletop will be that clear glass.